another watch, another day, pare. How are you? Ruel, nice to meet you, Ruel. Not I think nga mas maganda pa kitaan dyan sa Tag Heuer pero...
Actually,
mas maganda.
Ito 100% pa ako sa Tag, pero dito ang hirap talaga.
Maganda kitaan sa Tag Heuer, I know that.
Basta mga karelo, papunta tayo ng Watch Wars ngayon sa Alimol, Cubao. So magpapa-authenticate tayo ng 8 Heuer watches. Yung iba with papers na, yung iba no papers. So, pero hindi natin dadalhin yung mga papers. After ng Alimol, Cubao, daan tayo kay Paring Hype sa Gen 3.
1 hour later.
Hi, what's up guys? Another watch, another day, pare. How are you? Ruel, nice to meet you, Ruel. Ma'am?
Janice. Janice po.
Ma'am Janice, nice to meet you po. Kamusta?
Maghanap sa'yo ng dalawang
relo?
Oo.
Ano to? Brand new ba? Hindi. Hindi. Okay, this is... tanan! Oh, this is the King. Reference 116900. Yes, hindi pa ito yung pinaka-newest, no? Alright, and this is year 2021. Almost December. 2022. Yeah, almost 2022. Alright. Well, usually kasi ang hinahanap talaga ng tao is the new words, the 126900, because it has yung crown guard. And not only that, may 095 niya. Yun naman ang pinagkaiba. Let's check this one. Saan pa kayo galing, boss?
Cavite pa.
Cavite. Alright. My favorite watch. How long have you been selling?
2017 I started.
Wow!
Hindi na ako dumaan ng Seiko ng diretso Tag Heuer.
Tag Heuer. And then you stuck with Tag Heuer na?
Yes, until now. Rolex pa konti-konti na.
Boss, ito, used na rin?
Yes.
Okay. Now with this one, how much?
440.
Ay pa rin. Nakita mo yung binili ko kay Sabi?
Napanood ko?
Tama. 375 yun.
Pero last po mo kay Swiss Perpetual, 400 data?
Hindi. Nakuha ko yun kasi that was the parang NOS siya na NFC card. Which is, okay lang din sa akin yun. And I had already applied for that. Typically all buy and sell. The art is not about the selling, it's the buying na right. So kung maganda buy mo, doon ka talaga natutuwa. Because the selling is already the market. People who buy already knows how much, they have an idea of how much they want to spend. It's not I think nga mas maganda pa kitaan dyan sa Tag Heuer pero...
Actually,
mas maganda.
Ito 100% pa ako sa Tag, pero dito ang hirap talaga.
Maganda kitaan sa Tag Heuer, I know that. But I never entered it because I think na hindi lang siya naging na-embed sa personality. Kaya sabi ko,
pero mahal ng Pilipinang brand na Tag.
Yes, even for me, my first ever watch, the Grail watch ko was a Tag Heuer. I still have it until today. Kami ni Paring gising na kami. Okay. Sorry boss dito, pero this
okay
is
lang, okay lang.
For both actually, a quiet high talaga. So I won't offer na lang boss. Alright, no problem. Yeah, next time sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much and good luck ha. Good luck sa watch journey mo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nakarating nga lang natin dito sa bahay, so hindi tayo nakabenta ng 2 Rolex. Pero good news naman, kapag pa-authenticate tayo ng 8 Tag Heuer. So ito yung mga papers ng napa-authenticate natin. Ayan, ito yung mga papeles kung anong mga serial numbers, reference numbers. Ito yung mga watches.